I'm going to introduce you to the first project that we'll be doing in the coding part of our class. We will be doing this project entirely within Code Avengers, which is our system for learning 3 of the basic web languages. And the first language that we start with, which is covered in the first 10 lessons of Code Avengers, is HTML5. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and this is the language that actually we need to program in so that the web browser can understand the content that we're trying to put in it. For example, I have this sentence here where it says, I have anti-gravity powers. Now, the web browser doesn't know where or how to display that unless I actually give it some code to show it how to be presented on the page. This code is actually shown in blue here. You can see these are just basic text surrounded by your angle brackets. And this is really what elements, they're called elements, look like in HTML or hypertext markup language. HTML5 is just an extension of the markup language that has been used since the web was born. And it has a lot of different elements that were not able to be done before easily, like showing video and audio. We'll learn about that later. For this first lesson, basically we're going to work with the simplest type of elements, which display text in its various sizes, as you see here, and also display links, over a link here, and display images. Some of the things that we will put in our first project is different types of headings, as you see here, some images. Some of them will find ourselves on the internet, such as this one. And we'll also be putting some links in, both links to text, as you see here, with About Us. That goes to the Code Avengers page, which displays some information about Code Avengers. And we'll also be linking images, as you can see here. We'll learn a little bit about displaying lists, both ordered lists. You can see it here over in the code, and here it's displayed with the numbers by it, and here's the code for doing that. And we also see how to display what's called unordered list, where the order doesn't matter, and this is an order also of a list of different links. There we go. And finally, we'll be creating another page and linking to it called My Likes. As you can see here, there's some more images in it. One thing we will not be doing that you see on this page is the styles. The style of the background and the different colors of the fonts and the way the actual images are displayed on this page. That will be covered in the next series of lessons in Code Avengers when we talk about a different language called Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS. But this is what we'll be doing basically for our first project, and I will have a rubric up so that you can see exactly what you need to have done correctly in this project.